Welcome back, guys, back to W.T.F. I'm Pedro. Thank you for staying tuned. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Help me out, get bigger, get my content out better, and motivate me to make more videos for y'all. So today is a little bit different car. I've been promising you that I was going to been doing something with this car for a while. I know I've been sort of backed up. It's been almost 2 years, and it's crazy because time goes so fast, but I really do want to get my Cutlass back running. So today we're going to do something a little special for her to get me a little bit more motivated. We can't get her started today because I'm missing some parts that I actually gave to the homie for his Camaro. Electrical parts, I'm converting mine to a one wire and all that, so that's another video coming up. But let's check it out. So this is my 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass. As you can see, it has some ugly ass 20s on it. Some I do have a disc conversion disc in the front, 2-piston caliper by Eagle, no, by Bear Brakes. I'm about to sell that, paint them up, put them back up on offer up. I already had the whole setup, but I'm gonna go, guys. I have so many parts and I want to show y'all. It's gonna take another video, but just today I want to take off these rims and let me show you what I got. I know they're a little bit dusty, guys, but hold on. Let's see what we got right here and why I'm going with these for right now. So these are the rims that I have right now. I believe they're from a C6 or a C7. No, I think it's a C6. I got them for a really good deal. Tires are in excellent condition. All same type of tires. What is it, Goodyear? Eagle. I think the fronts are 245s, 40s, 18s, and then the back are like, what's the back like? Let me see. It's right here. No, this is the front. The backs are a little bit thicker. You know, Corvettes always have thicker tires in the back. The back we will be rolling with 285s. Sorry, because I guess I have to keep balancing it right, or it's not gonna. So we're gonna go with 285s, 35s, 19s in the back. So these are not my permanent rims I want to keep, but it's just something that I'm willing to work with. Like I said, I got them for a super cheap deal. These right here look like they're gonna rub everywhere, and I really don't want to deal with that right now until I started putting the new suspension on and on all that. So let's start with the front. Let's start the one right here. Let's see how it goes. The car's already up. The 17. I mean, these are the 19s. But this is the 18. I'm gonna take this one off first. These are some big old rims. On the side right here. And is this the front right one or the left front? Perfect. I'm gonna try them out with the spacers that I already have on there, just to mount it on and just to give it a different look, guys. So hopefully you like. See, I have a lot more room. My bigger calipers that I'm planning of adding on woodwork with these, because I think we have plenty of clearance. So I even think without even the spacers, I'll be able to have some better clearance and it'll make it look better. But for the meanwhile, guys, I just want to put them on. Got one more lug nut. I don't even like starting them like that. It'll hold for right now. I just need to. It's gonna look weird for me having Corvette rims on my car. So let's go to the back. Take those out. Right there. Let's take this one off, guys. Check this one out. That one there. I forgot this rim. It's a little bit tight. Let me get the right rim for this side. This one says I think it's this one right here. Let me check this one out. RR for rear right. All right, right rear or whatever. So this one is the right one we need to put on. Let's check this out. I know they're a little bit dirty, guys, but no problem. I'm gonna start getting to this car pretty soon. You know, I really miss my baby. I know summer's about to be over and all that, but I really wanted to get it ready by my birthday, which was August, but you know, things happen when you have kids. But for the meanwhile, I just want to put these rims on, and I want to say thanks to the mechanic known as Rasta. If you, I know he watches YouTube. Hopefully he'll run into my channel. I don't know. He actually hooked me up with these pretty cheap, so with tire and everything. So I just want to check them out, see how they look for the meanwhile, and just try to give me motivation to you know, get this car back on the road. You know, but at the same time, the more I get into it, sometimes the more I know I'm gonna have to do a lot to it, because, dude, I've seen rust everywhere. And you know how rust is hard to work on. But let's try it out. All right, let's do the other side. I don't know whose stuff it is. If I can't find the other socket, I mean the other bolt, we good, but we still have it right here. All right, guys, let's go to the other side now. this side right here. We're gonna do this one. Let me see if I can get you something balanced so I can record. So we're gonna do this side, do the back, take a little long shot. Let's do this side and then I'll take the other one to the other side. I don't want to be on your way. This is pretty tiring. Especially in California, it's been pretty hot. So, let's get this going. Oops. Going the wrong way. Get out of here. Scram. Alright. Now we're going with the 18 in the front. There we go. They're a little scratched up, guys, but believe me, for the price and compared to those big old truck rims, I want to get rid of them already, dude. So I think these look a little bit better, more appealing to the car. So let's see what kind of comments you have about my rims. Make sure you leave a comment if you like, don't like. Like I said, guys, it's not my permanent, but I am gonna just try them out right now to lock up my brake conversion that I'm about to start doing. But knowing that winter's rainy season's coming in California, it's gonna be a little bit crazy, so I'm gonna have to start doing different videos inside in my tent in the back. So let's get this puppy going. Or I'm not driving it like this, I'm just keeping it like this for right now, guys. I know you're gonna be like, oh, you didn't put any kind of washers in the back or you didn't do anything. They're secure. I just want to drop my car down for a while. It's been on the jack stands. I don't want anybody coming try to take the rims away or anything like that, so that's the main reason. Let's go check out the back. The last rim, then take it off. A little bit tight. I'm not gonna drive it. I just need to see how it looks. Or what I need to do to wind it up or whatever. And to get these out of my way over there so I can start working on the Celica. Alright. Let me know, guys. Yay, nay, or what? Like them, don't like them, hate them, or love them. Doesn't matter what y'all say. I just want to know. So make sure you leave that comment in the bottom. And that's not a fake sirens either. We're done. We got the 19 in the back. Get all this crap out of here. Just dropped my car for the first time in I don't know how many years. I haven't dropped my car in a while. But let me see how it looks. I don't look funny though. Now that I see them with the 20s and now I see them with the 19s in the back with the smaller tire, they look funny. But hey, I like it though. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. And we also bring another car to the channel. Not a big thing, but it's gonna be my first flip. I'm gonna try to make some flips so I can get some money so I can get this going. So it don't cost nothing out of my pocket. Really. So let me see. The 19's on the back. The 18's in the front. So for the meanwhile, guys, let me get my jack and start taking off the jack stands. Oh shoot. Is gonna reach. One by one. Think so? Nope. Let's see what happens. I just need a couple. Just to take it off the jack. There you have it. Holy shoot. It's gonna be years that I've seen it dropped. Ooh. So what do you think, guys? Let's go this way first. Ooh. Trying to learn how to play with this gimbal thing. I wonder why the back is so low. Oh, the air shocks. I forgot that my air shocks are actually... So let me know, guys. Better? Or do you like these? These are for trucks, though. Let's talk about the toolbox. Be right with you. What up, guys? So this is the toolbox I was talking to you about. Remember, it's a 235 mechanic toolbox set from Husky. Pretty decent box. This is the type of box I use for my when I go to the junkyard. So guys, if you like it, make sure the way to win is by subscribing, like, share, comment. Make sure you leave on a comment and say hashtag toolbox so I can enter you to the giveaway. I'm giving it away maybe like around the last day you'll be able to enter is Halloween. I'm trying to hit 350. I'm at 213. So guys, thank you for everybody else that's been subscribing. Truly appreciate it. The homies from AutoZone, the people I've been talking to in the gas stations, people that I've been helping out in the streets. Truly appreciate all your help and support. And make sure, just leave hashtag toolbox. If you don't even leave a comment, as long as you leave a hashtag toolbox, you're entered. I'm gonna be going live from now on every Friday on my Instagram, talking about the toolbox, talking about the channel. Maybe we could resolve some problems of your car. You can ask me something, and if I know, I'll be able to help you out. I'm not the best mechanic to diagnose cars without seeing them, but sometimes it's pretty simple stuff, guys. So hey guys, so make sure you subscribe, man. Help me out. And like I said, Halloween time. I'm on the last day you could subscribe. Join to win the toolbox. I really want to give it away. We have plenty, not plenty. I mean, we barely have any entries. Maybe 20 people. So there's a big chance that you have a chance to win a toolbox. Not many people have that. You know what I mean? That opportunity. A lot of people have over 100,000 subscribers, millions of subscribers or whatever, and it's harder for you to win stuff, and you have to buy merch from them. I'm not doing anything like that. I want to give it away to someone that wants to work on their own car, that don't have a lot of tools. If you do, you can give it away to your dad, to your brother, to your uncle, to someone that might be interested in working on their own cars. Give them to them as a gift. Believe me, they're going to appreciate it. It says right here it's like $250. I didn't pay that much, guys, but I get discounts on certain things, and I know how to shop. So if you like, guys, subscribe, do that for me, guys. Come on. All right. Peace out.